You guys, I can't believe that we actually called exactly what the Air Jordan 5 University Blue would do, because in store, these things flew. But online, these were going to sit for a little bit. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like swish. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with raw, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
You guys, today's video, what we are talking about, of course, is the release day Saturday, and today's release, the Air Jordan 5 University Blue, aka Black Carolina, whatever you guys want to call it, whatever Nike wants to call it, call it. But we called exactly what these would do. We said this on the channel literally a couple days ago, that in store these were going to do extremely well, because this is a gift shoe. This is something where people are going out and about looking to buy their fathers, looking to buy their significant others, whatever they are trying to do, they are trying to get these for them. Because today we had a insane amount of people coming in trying to find hats to match this shoe, and well, Lids kind of dropped the ball on that one. They just did not have enough ready for it. You had to basically find a hat and stitch the color on it if you were trying to match that baby Carolina blue. But this shoe right here sold extremely well. Again, actually our DTLR in the mall, they opened up right around like 8:30 a.m. just to start moving these, because they, I guess, had a glitch or whatever in their raffle system, and we're selling these first come first serve. So that was kind of neat. Again, by the time I got there was still a couple people in the store waiting to check out, but definitely not a line like they said they had. But we did, of course, sell out in Champs by, they told me they sold out by 12:30. JD actually got a shipment on Friday where it was 100 extra pairs. They ended up with right around 160 something pairs, and that's absolutely insane. The manager was like, I opened up at 8 just to try to get these gone, because I did not expect to have this many at all. And the Foot Locker, they sold out as well. Again, I am genuinely curious what you guys ended up seeing in your areas, because this again was one that I feel like in the bigger cities and stuff like that, they of course sold well, but whenever it comes to like smaller cities, I never really can gauge how what shoe was going to do there. I'm gonna be honest. So if you guys of course would please let me know in the comment section down below what these did in your area. Right now, as I'm shooting this though, again, we called it that these would sit online, and they are currently doing that on sneakers right now. And all that's left is a 8, 8.5, a 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, and an 11. And that is as of this moment that I'm shooting this video, because again, this is a gift shoe, I feel like, and everybody's last resort is going to be sneakers for this one. But they did sell out on JD, Foot Locker, and of course Hibbett. Foot Locker, I tried to add these to cart, and it did of course say product is no longer available. You did have of course at Hibbett at 9:10 a.m. on Hibbett this morning, all that was left was a 9, 9.5, and an 11, and that was gone by the time I went back. And then of course you looked at JD and it's just not even there. So again, this is one that I knew would probably do extremely well in the store and sit online. Now again, I mean, I guess it's sitting, but again, most of the sizes are sold out, but the major sizes 8 through 11 are still available. Now, the one thing that is kind of crazy is they only dropped 14,893 pairs of this shoe on the sneakers app. Absolutely insane. Definitely a lot less than what I expected, let's be honest, and a lot less what everybody else expected. But again, I really believe that sneakers is kind of like everybody's last resort for this shoe. I feel like everybody either was going to be able to get them in store, and again, they're trying to get it for other people. So they were trying their best to try to go in there and get that shoe. So definitely shout out to everybody that was able to get it for retail, and I hope you guys used coupons and was able to get it for under retail. If you look at what resale is currently, they are sitting under retail, which was $220. A size 10 is $211. If you guys go with the fees and everything like that, it's $254.79. So after taxes and everything on StockX, you are still paying over retail even at $220. So yes, I still 100% would buy these from the store first before going to any kind of third-party app or whatever. That is exactly what I would do, but it does not take anything away from it. This is a great shoe, a shoe a lot of us have waited 20 years for. But let me know what you guys did in the comment section down below. Was this a cop? Was it a drop? Was it one that you guys wish that you would have waited on and everything? But if you guys think that these are going to be around long enough to go on sale, not going to happen, because again, yes, today is Saturday, but tomorrow is Father's Day, and yes, people were out shopping today, but tomorrow is going to be the absolute crazy day. Especially, I have a feeling my store is going to be insane tomorrow, so that's going to be quite a bit of fun. Let's just go ahead and say that. I can't wait for that. But again, this is one that we all called it. We knew what they would do, and actually they did exactly what we said. So this is one that, again, it did not sit in store, at least in my area. Once again, when I say sold out or anything like that, I'm talking about my area because, well, that's what I know about. That's all my connections and everything are in my area. That's why I ask you guys, let me know what happens in your guys' area. Was there lines? Was there not? Anything like that. I'm genuinely curious because, again, this one was one that I firmly believe probably would have done better if so many pairs weren't out early, because that's what one manager was telling me today, that she felt like that everybody that already wanted them kind of already had them because we've had them early for quite some time. So I feel like that's kind of what caused that a little bit, especially in my area, but they still sold extremely well, so can't really be too upset with that. But again, whenever there's that early market and everything like that, there's a lot of people that don't like dealing with malls, don't like dealing with crowds and stuff. So those people will always grab them early. And I'm one of those people, even though, yes, I work in retail, work in the mall and everything, I do not want to be there for that long. I go there, clock in, clock out. That's what I do. So again, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys did today, how these did in your area. Was it a shoe that sold extremely quick? Did it sit? I'm genuinely curious because, again, in my area, these things did not last long at all. Some stores, they only lasted till noon. So definitely sold super quick, but again, not the case for everywhere. I know that, so that's why I ask you guys, let me know. Again, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a great Father's Day weekend, and we will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Love y'all. Peace.